Alright, so now you've seen the beginnings of file input and output in LabVIEW. What I need you to do right now to actually try it out yourself, programming a little bit with file input and output, is the assignment from last week. Last week we had the assignment for creating multiple loops where we were generating a random number, calculating a moving average, and there was a third loop as well. We're going to add another loop, and in that loop you're going to work on creating an array, and we're going to write that array into a text file, or we're going to save it into a text file afterwards. And so we're going to save the file into a text file. Just use a txt, or you can use a .csv file as well. Doesn't matter, it's all up to you. There's only one thing: I want you to create a new file every time you run the loop. So every time you run the loop or you run your measurement, make sure you generate a new text file or CSV file. It can have the same name, so you can just throw away the first one and just write over it, but make sure that you generate a new file, and make sure that you don't have to click on the file where you want to save it every time you run your loop. Alright, so far, so use local variables, use a new loop, and make sure you're having all these. So make sure you have the random number generator, all the variables that you generate, so the random number generator, the moving average. I'm not sure if there was another one. Let me check. Well, it's this assignment. So the moving average, random number generator, and what was the last one? Alright, so make sure that you have the random number generator and the variables, and also the index. So make sure that you have, in the first loop iteration that you create, that you have a randomly generated number and a moving average. And so you have 3 columns with the information from this loop saved in a CSV or in a text file somewhere on your PC locally. So good luck, guys. See you in the next video.